Hello, good morning, everyone. Today is July 20, July 29, and it is a very significant day today for most traders because today there might be a lot of traders that are not trading. Okay, the reason why is that today is the announcement of the FOMC. Okay, the statement, and this statement we don't know if it is going to raise the interest rates, federal interest rates, or lower it down. So I don't know much about that, but I know that today is FOMC. So and it does have some significant effect on your trades or position of your trades. So most traders today don't trade. However, I have some few trades that I left from yesterday, and today this is I have a position. I have three contracts for one position, which is um, SPY. I actually have $3. I don't want to continue with this one. I mean, I would probably just simply close this one, right? So what I'm going to do, and a current price of 59. Well, you know what? I can wait. I can wait, and we'll see how much I would make. I'm closing early some of my positions today from the previous day, and an example for which, as you can see, my portfolio, my cash portfolio right now is 1561. Okay, a small percentage of my 49K portfolio. So 1500. I have a buying power of 1200, as you can see, and let me, you know what? Let me just put this right over here so that we can see it. And I should probably use my microphone to better hear what I said. Let me see. Okay, it's power on. Check, check. One. Oh, there you go. So that's better. Hoping that's better though. Um, this is my pending. So I make a limit order of trying to close it at 0.57 because the current price for this one is 60 cents. So I'm hoping that it goes 57 so that I can buy it back because I have a sell position for this one. So I can actually, oh look, I have a $6 profit in there trying to make a, and if I'm going to cancel this order here, so that's what I'm going to do. Oop, there you go, canceled. And I have this. Oh, what's, mm-hmm. Put that back in there because that's the important thing. And that's position in there. I have a $6 view and options analyzer, and I am in the money. I will close it. I will put 3 review and then close. Wait a second. Close. 1, 2, 3. Close. Oh, wait. Keep current order. What's going on? Why? It never closed. Um, there you go. Trade and then close. 3, review, submit. 1, 2, 3. Please. Close, 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 close. It's not closing yet. Trying to close this new positions at limit price of 58. I can do this manually. So anyhow, let's just wait. Let's just it's 59 right now. There we go. It's 58. Hoping it should close. Go. Go. Duh. It's not. But okay. Report for the week. It will just close later. Okay. Here's my profit, realized profit from this week. It's not big, but it's a good performance so far because of the strategy that I used, which is called the Iron Condor. And sooner or later, I'm going to show you guys how to set up an Iron Condor with options trading, and especially we using Robinhood or Tasty Trade, Robinhood, Alinea. I don't know with Alinea, but I am really comfortable using Robinhood for my options trading. It's user friendly. So this is my 1 week. This is the week. So there's 2 days there. That right now this is my profit so far. Let me see. I have a $4 profit. That's today. I don't want to continue trading today because again today is an FOMC announcement and I can't trade. So yesterday I made $45, and the other day that was Monday I made $42, and and Friday 24 $60, and this one is $49 just by exposing only like 600 of my 600 like exposure. So here are the win. I mean, I don't want to say it's a win because you are. I'm just closing this whenever I thought it is like it hits 10 to 15, 10 to 20% of my maximum potential profit. So I close it. I don't want to be greedy. There's always what we call potential profit. Yeah, that's potential. You can probably win that one, but I am after for the probabilities of winning. I want higher probabilities of winning, meaning to say I want to win 80% of the time. 80 over 20 is my probability, my acceptable probability of winning. So this is July 29 is today, 29 1. That's how much I made. $1, $2, $1, and 28. I have this two iron condor. That's the reason for this because I close it early, and these positions are future positions for if you look at this one for example, these are future for August 5. It's due to expire on August 5. If I leave it like August 5, I would probably make more money. But since um, today is an FOMC announcement, I don't want to do that. Okay, I tried to avoid that one. Here we go. So going back, yesterday I made $12 from this one iron short iron condor. $15 for another short iron condor. $18 short iron condor. Everything is short iron condor, meaning short is sell put. Okay, so I sell put 12, 10, and if you're going to show it all, it shows me my net profit. Okay, this one is a position, the credit spread. This is not an iron condor, so this was when I accidentally closed one position in the iron condor, the other two legs, so it ends up like having a spread, a credit spread. But anyhow, I made 170 on that one. 170, as you can see that here, 170. But eventually, I have negative 144, negative 12 because it counters itself. Not counter itself, but when you make a position, make sure that your premium is higher than your debit. So you need to have a higher credit than debit. On this case, I have a credit of 170 and I paid 144 and $12 for that one for closing that position. So I end up making about $30 for that one. So it's well, that's good. So it's not about winning what your position is, like hitting a target. It's more like how much you actually have premium on it. It's like renting out the stocks and then like an Airbnb. Technically, it's an Airbnb of stocks. So these are my wins on those days, 23, 23. There you go. So these are the data that I have. Oh, something just closed. Okay, okay. Something, I think my position got closed. So that's the reason why I have that notification. Let's double check on that one. 381, how much I made now? I probably made six. See, it closed by $6. So I made $6 for that one. And that's the last position I have. So eventually for today, I made a total of $420 from my $1,000 initial position, initial portfolio size. So not bad for a couple of weeks. Okay, those were like couple of weeks, last 2 weeks, and it's good. So this options trading, um, hopefully your target is to give you a passive income for the rest of what you're doing. So the good one for the probability for this one is that you want to pick a position we're in. Oh, this is not July 27, guys. Today is July 29. This is wrong. My bad for that one. Correction. I should change the goal to my bad. That should be 29. Here you go. It's 29 now. So again, it is an options trade using SPY, SPDR, S&P 500, and I'm using Iron Condor strategy with a delta of zero point 0.2. And delta zero point 0.2 meaning to say it has 20% chance of getting executed, and you don't want that to happen for that particular trade. It's weird because you make a position, you make a range, and you don't want to be those strike prices to be executed, and that's exactly what makes options trading like fun or interesting, because you don't want it to be, though if it is executed fine, especially with the covered call, you still make profit. I mean, double your profit actually, but you don't want that. You don't need that. You only need to have a premium, because the moment you put in your position, you already get a credit for that one. And the theta is not the one that actually the theta decay. Theta decay is like a decay wherein like over time, think of an ice, like over time the ice melts if unless you put that on in a freezer. So over time the theta decays, and the decay makes your the more it decays, um the lesser the value or the costs or the debit becomes. So you can buy it now. You can buy back what you want to sell. You want to buy back what you want to sell. It's so technical, but once you are in it, it's fun. So, all right, that's my report for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you want to learn more about options trading, I can walk you through. But the first thing first is you need to have um, an account with Robinhood, that you can actually trade level one, level two. I mean, level one, level two are given, but level three for the Iron Condor. Level one, level two, it's simple credit spreads. No, not actually credit spreads yet, but simple covered call, cash secured put. And you can also use wheel strategy for that one too as well, if you wanted to really invest into the options trading. All right. Thank you so much. And today again is actually July 29. I was wrong when I put that in there. So you all have a great day. And no trades today. Nada, zip, zoist. No trades today. Okay, because it's an FOMC announcement. And we will start our trades for my live tomorrow, Thursday, at 6:30 in the morning. I'll start trading and actually like 15 minutes after like 6:30. Like I just want to like settle it, like the trades to settle down, the volatility to simmer down. All right, thank you, and you all have a great and wonderful day ahead of you. Bye bye. And this is DP, the master, I don't want to say it, the master gamer trader. All right, bye.